If you have worked in multiple companies and have more one member ID, it is very important to transfer your old PF balance to the current PF account. Otherwise, you may face issues like interest not earning, tax complications, and difficulty during withdrawals. In this video, I will show you how to transfer PF balance using one member, one PF account transfer option step by step. Friends, if you find something value in my videos, subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to do more financial videos. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We will cover 5 important steps in this video. Make sure to watch till the end because I will share some important notes and common points that can lead to transfer request rejection. Step 1. Key reasons for a PF account transfer. When you switch jobs, the new PF employer ID is created for each employer. Let's take a simple example. Suppose you worked in company A for 3 years and you are working in company B for at least last 5 years. If you do not transfer the PF balance from company A and come to company B, you may face several issues. Tax efficiency. If you withdraw PF before completing 5 years of continuous service, the amount may become taxable. However, the transferring the PF balance from the old account to the new account maintain service continuity, which helps keep it tax efficient. Consolidated management. Instead of managing multiple PF accounts, transferring helps to maintain the single consolidated PF account. Make it easier to track contributions and PF balance. Service history continuity. If the PF transfer helps maintain your total service history, which is important to EPS pension eligibility. Easier withdrawals. Having a single PF account makes future withdrawals and advances much easier. Step 2. Requirements before initiating transfer. Before initiating a PF transfer request, make sure the following requirements are fulfilled. Your UAN is activated, your Aadhaar number is active to receive OTP, your KYC details such as Aadhaar, PAN and banks are verified, the date of exit for your previous employment is correctly updated in the PF portal. Step 3. One member, one PF account transfer portal demo. In Google, enter UAN portal login. You will find that link UAN-Employee Provident Fund. Click that link to continue. Close this button. In right hand side, you will see the PF login. Enter UAN number, enter password, then click sign in. The second factor authentication is required. The OTP is sent to your registered mobile number. Once received, enter it here. Then click submit to continue. This is UAN dashboard. Earlier, if you submit PF transfer request, that request will go to employer. Once the employer approved, then the request go to the PF field office. Please note, this will get a few accounts only. We cannot transfer PF funds from one company to another without employer approval. But now it is possible. EPFO removed employer approval. If you initiate a PF request, it will go directly to PF field office. They will verify if all are correct. They will transfer the funds from old company to current company. I try to submit a PF transfer 4 to 5 accounts. Out of 5, only 2 PF accounts directly submitted to PF office. Other PF accounts go to employer approval. I hope this feature will enable to all PF accounts, so we easily transfer PF funds from old company to current company. To initiate claim, go to online services. Then you will find the option one member, one EPF account. Click that button. Before you proceed, read the personal information. Everything is correct. Then scroll down. Step 4. How to submit the PF transfer request. To complete this process, you will do 2 steps. The step 1, enter the member ID or UAN. Either one, you have to enter it here. If you want to know your member ID, go to view, then click service history. Under service detail, you will find the member ID. Here I will enter my UAN number. So you will find the establishment. So select establishment. So you have to select which establishment you want to transfer the funds from the new company. Select the member ID you want to transfer. Once selected the member ID, then click this checkbox. Then click here to get OTP. The OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Once received, enter it here. Then click submit to continue. Then you will find the message the claim has been successfully submitted. Please note, if you transfer PF funds from old company to current company, only employee and employer share will be transferred. Pension amount will remain in the pension account only. When transfer process, it will internally merged and we cannot see, but it will be internally merged to current company. If you want to track claim status, go to online services. You will find the option track claim status. Click track claim status. Under claim status, you will see application is submitted by member pending at a field office. This application will not go to employer. Means it will directly go to the field office. There is no employer intervention inside. If attestation goes to employer, you will download form 13, take printout and send it to employer for a PF transfer request. Sometimes employer will not respond quickly or they will delay this process. So it will take so long to transfer. Now come to the important point. How long the PF claim take transfer from old company to current company? The average time is 20 to 30 days for completion. After 20 to 30 days, once the PF claim transferred successfully, under transfer claim status, you will see the application has been accepted from field office. If you want to verify what amount is transferred from your current company, log in into the PF member passbook. So this is the old company details. You will see here the employee and employer share showing 0. So that means the amount transferred to the current company, that means the new company. And here pension share is showing that 13,798. So that is internally merged. So we cannot see here, but this amount was transferred to the current company. Step 5. Important notes and common points. No employer signature required. For Aadhaar-based PF transfer request submitted through PF portal, employer signature is not required. No need to submit Form 13 offline. If you submit the PF transfer request online and it shows to pending at the field office, you do not need to submit Form 13 separately to the employer or PF office. A registered mobile number must be active. Your mobile number linked with UAN must be active so that we can receive the OTP for authentication. The date of exit must be updated. The date of exit for your previous employment must be correctly updated in PF portal before initiating the transfer request. One transfer request allowed. Only one transfer request will be submitted for the previous member ID at a time. PF field office is not accepting your application within 20 to 30 days, you can register the complaint in the PF grievance support. And that's it about this video, friends. If you find some value, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.